welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm back again with Mzansi's Soapy Stories, and today we're talking about SKEEM SAAM, guys, specifically about a character Meikie. The producers the SKEEM SAAM decided to bring her back on the spotlight, and my man tells me that she's coming back home very soon. According to my observation, what got her arrested from the first place might take her back to prison again. In her absence, guys, John Maputla finds love again from one of his employees. According to this month here, as on the 1st of March 2022, Melita withdraws the L word at John Maputla, and we later learn that John won't be able to stay away from forbidden fruit, and the news will reach Meikie in prison. Meikie is arrested today, guys, because of her husband and his cheating. He don't get along with Charity because of her husband, and now it's Melita. Do you think Meikie and John's marriage will be over, or batlolukisa mathata abona and move on? That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.